Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, so not a lot of people know, but Ken and I have been baking together since we were 8. Yeah. Okay. So today we are experimenting with finding the perfect cupcake recipe.
Barbie, if we're going to make perfect cupcakes, we're going to need eggs.
Oh, yeah, right. Got it.
But what we really wanted to show you guys is that baking isn't just an art. It's also a science.
Yeah, baking is chemistry. Am I right?
Totally. And the challenge that Barbie and I keep having is that we like our cupcakes a little bit different.
Yeah, I like them velvety.
And I like mine springier with a bunch of holes in them.
Right, so we're going to use the scientific method to figure out a recipe for each kind.
That's right. And after cooking and eating, I don't know, millions of cupcakes.
So many cupcakes.
Over the years, we found that most cupcake recipes are basically the same. They kind of follow the same formula. The sugar must be equal to or less than the flour, in weight, that is. The eggs and liquids, the milk, must equal the flour. The fat, the butter, the oil, must equal the eggs.
For both recipes, you'll use the following ingredients. Okay, you're gonna need 3 cups of flour,
2 cups of sugar,
240 grams of butter,
that's 2 whole sticks, plus 3/4 cups of milk,
4 extra large eggs,
2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and a pinch of salt, which kind of brings out the flavor.
Yeah, believe it or not.
Preheat the oven to 350 degrees.
But the way you mix the ingredients is the variable in the equation, and that can make all the difference.
Now, we're going to make 2 separate batches.
And see what happens. Version 1, you'll need 2 bowls, 1 medium, 1 large. Put the dry ingredients in the medium bowl. That's the flour, the baking powder, the salt, and mix them together.
For my recipe, you only need 1 bowl. Add 3 cups cake flour, the 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and the half teaspoon of salt.
Now, in my larger bowl, I'm going to blend 2 sticks of butter with the sugar. Use softened butter at room temperature and cut into pieces. Using the back of a big spoon, smooth out the butter and slowly mix in the sugar. Blend until light and fluffy.
Now, in my 1 bowl, I add in the sugar and the butter, which has been softened and cubed, and I mix them up.
Then I add the 4 eggs to the large bowl, 1 at a time. Make sure they are also room temperature. Cold eggs don't whip as well.
I'm also adding 4 eggs, 1 at a time.
Then I combine my 2 bowls and mix the flour mixture from the medium bowl into the larger bowl, and I slowly mix in 1 cup of whole milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla.
Now, I'm adding the same milk and the same vanilla to my 1 bowl.
Mix well, at least a minute, and fill your cupcake tins.
Okay, now bake it for 15 to 18 minutes.
And while we wait...
And the cupcakes rise. Yay!
Okay, so which recipe do you think made more springy cupcakes? Version 1, the one I did, or version 2, what Ken did?
Well, version 1, the one with 2 bowls, the one that you did, that made for a more springy cupcake.
Right, because we were blending the sugar with the butter.
And then mixing it into the batter, which creates a bunch of air pockets.
Which makes it less dense and lighter. We will do a cupcake decorating vlog soon.
But today we just wanted to show you our final designs.
Thanks for watching.
Which one do you think is your favorite?
Peace.
P.A.C.E. P.A.C.E. cake.
Oh,
Have
Ken.
a P.A.C.E. cake.
No.
We're going to have some cake.
That was so bad.
Yeah.